Hello, first grade. We are back. This week, we are also going to talk about life cycles of animals. Last week, we talked about some of the attributes of animals resembling or looking like their parents. This week, we are going to focus on the changes of different animals, but specifically on a butterfly. So many of you have seen a butterfly, right? We see them around outside by the flowers. And today you are going to learn, some of you already know, how is it that the butterfly becomes a butterfly? Because it wasn't a butterfly all its life. So I'm going to read you a story once again. And you are going to pay attention because, of course, the information that I am going to give you, you will need to do a worksheet after you are done watching this video. All right, let's begin. Stage 1, the egg. That's a cool egg right there, right? Looks like a little drop of water. While in the egg stage, the caterpillar grows in the inside of the egg. Stage 2, the larva. The caterpillar, or larva, is the long, worm-like stage of the butterfly. It often has an interesting pattern of stripes or patches, and it may have spine-like hairs. It is the feeding and growth stage. As it grows, it sheds its skin 4 or more times so as to enclose its rapidly growing body. So it has to eat a lot during this stage, okay? This is the eating stage, the larva, which is the caterpillar. We've seen caterpillars around, right? Stage 3, pupa. Pupa. The chrysalis or pupa is the transformation stage, within which the caterpillar forms a protective shell around its body so it can change forms from a caterpillar to a butterfly. Once the caterpillar is fully grown, the shell splits open. Okay, so this is like the Transformers stage. Okay, it turns into something like this, and can you see on the inside what's happening? It used to be a caterpillar, but now it's turning into a what? A butterfly. You can see its color, and I believe these are wings. So let's see what the next stage is. Stage 4, the adult. The adult is colorful butterfly. It is the reproductive and the final stage for this species. The adult butterfly is also the stage that forms new habitats. The butterfly picture here is a monarch, which is fairly large in size. When the wings of the butterfly are dry, the butterflies know to look for food. The food the butterfly looks for is mainly nectar from plants. Okay, that's why you usually see them around plants and flowers. It's because that's where they're getting their food from. Okay, and this is the final stage. Okay, so we noticed that our butterfly wasn't a butterfly at first, was it? No, it changed. So here on your screen, we have the complete life cycle of the butterfly, which was our egg, remember? Those little drops that looked like water. Then it turned into a caterpillar or larva, and then into a chrysalis or pupa, right? That's where it transformed. It's like hibernating in a way. And then our last and final stage is the butterfly, the beautiful butterfly. So now for your assignment, okay, as you can see on my screen, this is what you're doing, okay? You can do this on your journal. You don't have to print this. You are going to tell me what you learned and you are going to draw on these little boxes the stages. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Okay, what happened first, what happened next, what happened then, and what happened last. Okay, and on here, you are going to write one sentence at least. It can be 2 or 3, but at least one sentence saying what happened first. Okay, so one complete sentence for each one of these. So I should have at least 4 sentences at the end. Okay, so that is it. That is all you have to do for today, and I hope you learned some new things on butterflies. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.